Hello everyone, we are the Self-Studies.
I'm Jenny.
I'm Nime.
I'm Shaira.
I'm Janinia.
I'm Jaylee.
I'm Jope.
I'm Shane.
I'm Shane May. I'm Bibi Jean.
I am Yena.
I'm Angel.
And we are going to Math Oral.
Kailang Jenny, ina magsugod ni Menday.
8-3. 7-9.
24. 8-3, 27 yung yun.
Patay na. Bell.
8-3.
Assignment.
8-3. Oh, 24. 7-5. 3-9. 4-4. 16. 5-3.
Mag-away.
6-4. Ignore na.
49.
Best and fail sa multiplication niya.
Ako. 5-6.
Dako to ay.
9-8. 6-3.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the Self-Studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first. My name is Yara. My name is Yana.
My name is Lawrence.
My name is Samantha. My name is Yoshni.
My name is Satana.
And we are having a spelling bee.
Number 1. Depression. Number 1, depression. Depression. Depress. Ay, wala lang siya. Depression. Wala? Number 2, anxiety. Pananas ko an. Inside out. Anxiety. Binalik mo yung tanong. Ano ba? Ano? Number 3, alphanumeric. Number 3, alphanumeric. Ang pagbasa na alphanumeric. Ano ka? Tayo wakay na suwat ha. Number 4, communicate. Number 4, communicate. Tanawin niya po, sorry. Communicate. Ano ba? Number 5, physical. No, kana. Physical instrument. Kana mao na dai sakto jud ka ako dai. First ka dyan. Na ba?
Tinubalik na kung papel. 3 lang. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, balik. Balik ka ng hold your paper. 1,
Dali pa ito.
2, 3. Mana ba?
Mana?
Number 1, depression. D, E.
Tara,
Okay, number 1, depression. D, E, P, R, E, S, S, I, O, N. Number 2, anxiety. Paminawan niyo, isuwat na lang niyo dito sa akong pagsupit. Number 2, anxiety. A, N, X, I, E, T, Y. Na? Number 3, alphanumeric. A, L, P, H, A, N, U, M, E, R, I, C. Maybe. A, L, P, H, A, N, U, M, E, R, I, C. Number 4, communicate. C, O, M, M, U, N, I, C, A, T, E. Na? Number 5.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first. My name is Algene.
My name is Jada.
My name is Ashley.
My name is Elna.
And we are having a spelling bee. Number 1, February.
Huh?
February. Month na. Mana? Number 2, arcade. Arcade. Number 3, settle. Mana? Mana na? Sida, mana ka? Number 4, line segment. Line segment.
Kanang ilahi din ang segment.
Oh. Ano? Number 5 na?
Oh.
Number 5 kay fish. Pero dili fish ang iyang spelling. Fish. Fish iyang pronunciation pero iyang spelling kay dili fish. Mana?
Oh.
Exchange ko na lang. Ikaw, Jida, imong papel hatag ni Elna.
Give me your
Imong papel, Elna, ihatag niya Ashley. Imong papel ihatag niya. Number 1, ang spelling kay February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. Ano? Number 2. Number 2. Arcade. A-R-C-A-D-E. Aminaw lagi. A-R-C-A-D-E. Number 4. Dali na, paminaw mo. Number 4.
Sakto na number 1 din.
Ay, number 3. Settle. S-E-T-T-L-E. Annyeonghaseyo, Eureka Imnida. So for tonight, I'm only gonna practice multiplication tables to master multiplication table. So let's start. 2 times 2 equals 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 4 equals 8, 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times 6 equals 12, 2 times 7 equals 14, 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 9 equals 18, 2 times 10 equals 20, 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 4 equals 12, 3 times 5 equals 15, 3 times 6 equals 18, 3 times 7 equals 21, 3 times 8 equals 24, 28, 24, 3 times 9 equals 27, 3 times 10 equals 30, 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 3 equals 12, 4 times 4 equals 16, 4 times 5 equals 20, 4 times 6 equals 24, 4 times 7 equals 28, 4 times 8 equals 32, 4 times 9 equals 36, 4 times 10 equals 45, 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 4 equals 20, 5 times 5 equals 25, 5 times 6 equals 30, 5 times 7 equals 35, 5 times 8 equals 40, 5 times 9 equals 45, 5 times 10 equals 50. 6 times 1 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, 6 times 3 equals 18, 6 times 4 equals 24, 6 times 5 equals 30, 6 times 6 equals 36, 6 times 7 equals 42, 6 times 8 equals 48, 6 times 9 equals 54, 6 times 10 equals 60, 7 times 1 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 14, 7 times 3 equals 21, 7 times 4 equals 28, 7 times 5 equals 35, 7 times 6 equals 42, 7 times 7 equals 49, 7 times 8 equals 56, 7 times 9 equals 63, 7 times 10 equals 70, 8 times 1 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 8 times 3 equals 24, 8 times 4 equals 32, 8 times 5 equals 40, 8 times 6 equals 48, 8 times 7 equals 56, 8 times 8 equals 68, 8 times 8 equals 64, 8 times 9 equals 72, 8 times 10 equals 80, 9 times 1 equals 9, 9 times 2 equals 80, 9 times 3 equals 27, 9 times 4 equals 36, 9 times 5 equals 45, 9 times 6 equals 54, 9 times 7 equals 63, 9 times 8 equals 72, 9 times 9 equals 81, 9 times 10 equals 90. And that's all. Annyeong!